Now for the next step in this making the spindle for the double rod back is to knock off the, there's still a lot, it's not rounded enough, and there's still some octagon shape to the piece. So I'm going to use the hand plane, or the block plane, just to knock off those edges and get it more rounded. Okay, that's the upper section is nicely rounded, but down here there's still a lot of octagons. Okay, so I'm going to continue to round this. It's never going to be as rounded as you would get on the lathe, but it's good enough. Now we've lost all the bamboo joints, so I'll have to remark those locations. I'm gonna kind of hold off there. That's fairly rounded. That's good.